This tutorial will show you how to download and use EndNote. EndNote is a reference management software, and it's available free to all U of R students. EndNote will store and manage your citations as well as the corresponding PDF files. It can create in-text citations and bibliographies using whichever citation style you prefer. So to get started with EndNote, we're going to go to the library website, and I am going to complete a search for it. You'll want to make sure that your system requirements will meet those required by the program. You'll need to authenticate so that you can download the software. The current version of the software is EndNote X9. I highly recommend that this is the version you download. It's available for both Windows as well as Mac. All you need to do is click on the hyperlink, and an exe file will download. When you download the program, make sure you save it directly to your hard drive. Do not save it to a flash drive, a cloud service, or even a network. The reason for this is that EndNote will become unstable over time and it will degrade, and eventually your library will not open. Go ahead and open that file and follow the prompts to finish the installation of the program. If you are a Mac user, make sure you follow the directions carefully when downloading. When you first open EndNote, you'll have to create a new library. I usually just use the default and use the default location for where it saves. I'm going to open up my existing library. You can see I already have a ton of references in it. There are many ways to get references into EndNote. One of the easiest ways is to go through articles and books. So I'm going to the library website, library.rochester.edu, and I'm going to do a very simple search. From articles and books, there's a couple ways that I can get references into EndNote. If I only have one reference I want to get in, I can go to the three little dots that are next to the record, click on that, and export directly into EndNote. It'll download an RAS file. All I need to do is click on it, and it will open up, and you can see that the record has been downloaded. I might have to go back in and add in the proper capitalization. I can also export multiple records at a time from within articles and books. All I need to do that is select the folder, save this item within each record that I want to send into EndNote. As I add these records in, you can see that the number next to the folder in the header, the number will increase. Now keep in mind, this is a temporary folder. Unfortunately, it is not linked to your NetID. These files will stay in this folder as long as you have this window open. If you close the window, these records will disappear. So you want to make sure that as you're working, if you decide to take a break or shut down, that you do export these files into EndNote before you close down. So I click on the folder, and all I need to do is choose Export To, and just choose EndNote. Once again, the file will download, and I just need to click on it to open it. And all three files will show up. Now I'm seeing something strange with the record, the systematic review that I just downloaded. It looks like the author names are repeated. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm just going to edit this right now so that if I ever choose to use this reference in the future, it will show up when I enter this into Word. And to save this, all I need to do is close it. And now it'll be prompted that I want these changes to be saved. I'm going to ask EndNote not to display this message again and just click yes. And now you can see the author names are showing up correctly.